Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases of 2025, the Ford Focus RS. It's back, and it's better than ever. Ford has taken everything we loved about the previous generations and turned it up a notch to deliver a car that's not just a hot hatch but a performance icon. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2025 Ford Focus RS comes with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces a jaw-dropping 400 horsepower and 425 pound-feet of torque. This is a significant boost over the previous generation and firmly places it in supercar rivaling territory for acceleration and agility. The engine has been tuned to deliver power seamlessly, with an emphasis on reducing turbo lag. Coupled with a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission, it ensures that every ounce of power is effectively utilized. But don't worry, manual enthusiasts, Ford hasn't forgotten about you. There's an optional 6-speed manual gearbox for those who crave that raw connection to the car. Paired with the advanced all-wheel drive system featuring torque vectoring, the Focus RS delivers a driving experience that feels planted and precise, whether you're carving through tight corners or unleashing its power on a straight stretch of road. Performance upgrades are just the beginning. The 2025 Focus RS features a redesigned chassis and suspension system. Ford engineers have incorporated adaptive dampers that allow the car to shift between comfort and track modes with ease. The result? A car that's just as capable of being your daily driver as it is tearing up the racetrack. The new lightweight platform also improves handling and responsiveness, making it feel more agile and engaging than ever before. Now let's talk about design. Ford has given the Focus RS an aggressive yet aerodynamic makeover. Up front, you'll find a bold grille flanked by sleek LED headlights and large air intakes that hint at the performance capabilities lurking under the hood. The sculpted hood, wide fender flares, and dynamic side skirts add to the sporty appeal, while the rear features a prominent spoiler and dual exhaust outlets that emit a deep, throaty growl. To top it off, the RS exclusive 19-inch alloy wheels complete the look, wrapped in high-performance tires that provide exceptional grip. Inside, the Focus RS combines sporty aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. The Recaro Sport seats offer excellent support for spirited driving and long journeys alike. Premium materials are used throughout the cabin, with soft touch surfaces and contrast stitching adding a touch of luxury. The star of the interior is the 12-inch digital instrument cluster, customizable to display everything from speed and RPMs to performance metrics like G-forces and lap times. The infotainment system is equally impressive. Ford has equipped the Focus RS with the latest Sync 4 system, featuring a 13.2-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice recognition has been enhanced, making it easier than ever to control navigation, media, and climate settings. A premium B&O sound system ensures that your favorite tracks sound crystal clear, whether you're cruising the highway or tearing through backroads. Safety and driver assist features have also been a focus for the 2025 model. You get Ford's Copilot 360 suite as standard, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems not only make daily driving more convenient but also enhance your confidence behind the wheel, whether you're on a crowded city street or a winding mountain pass. One of the standout features this year is the drift mode. Yes, it's back and better than ever. The Focus RS allows you to channel your inner rally driver by seamlessly transferring power to the rear wheels for controlled slides and exhilarating corner exits. Combined with its finely tuned steering and advanced suspension, the car feels like it's hardwired to your instincts. Ford has also made strides in efficiency without compromising performance. The EcoBoost engine incorporates mild hybrid technology, which improves fuel economy and reduces emissions. It's a step forward for a car that has always been about delivering thrilling performance in a practical package. For enthusiasts wondering about customization, Ford has you covered. The 2025 Focus RS is available in several eye-catching colors, including a new RS-exclusive shade of Velocity Blue. Optional packages let you add carbon fiber accents, upgraded brakes, and even a track-focused aero kit for those who want to push their car to the limit. To wrap it up, the 2025 Ford Focus RS is a car that doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. With its potent engine, advanced technology, and aggressive styling, it's a hot hatch that can do it all. Whether you're a die-hard performance fan or someone looking for a versatile car that brings excitement to every drive, the Focus RS deserves your attention. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Master Cars for more in-depth reviews and exciting automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ford Focus RS. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.